Hello, in front of me I've got ASUS AirVision. In this video I'll show you device preview. In the beginning, let's open the glasses and take a look at the front of it. Right here we've got the wear detection sensor, and on the top we can find light sensor. Next to the light sensor we've got two microphones. Here we can find displays, and right here we can find speakers. Here we've got USB-C charging port, and in the end on the left side we can find touchpad. As you can see right here we've got some legal informations with the model number. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.